Here is how we can resize the split screen on the iPad. So let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe right now so you don't miss videos like this one. So let's say I get inside of the app like this, the Files app, and also I open up the Photos app, right? I have two apps which I can flick to the one side and the other one to the other like this, and you can see we are in the official split screen mode. It is split perfectly in half, where the half on the left is the Files app and here is the Photos. But pay attention to the middle controller right there, which you can grab and make things smaller on this side or on the other. We still don't have like the full flexibility. You can kind of like move between like the 3/4 and 1, right, or 50-50 split, or you know, the other way around. But I mean you can kind of like go in between the two, but you cannot just slide it all the way like this and choose like a very small size on the edge there. But that's kind of how it works. The only thing which could be going on, and the reason why it may not work, is that you don't have it set in this like perfectly split mode, right? Because you might have the floating icons like this and the floating windows, which is fine, like you can grab them or whatever, but it's not perfectly, you know, centered. So that's why I showed you to flick it like this to the side so they take the shape of the full split view, and you can kind of like move it around like this. You can also slide it away, and now you are in the full screen mode for one of the apps. So that's like the easiest way to make that work. Let me know in the comments below if there are some more questions you specifically might have about this, but I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.